Hello everyone, welcome to this video. As you read in the description, this video is about this Sony Ericsson K850i because I kind of like this phone and I bought it very cheap for like €2. Apparently it starts. It's unlocked. The screen worked for a few seconds. I managed to see Vodafone RAW and well, the screen is cracked, typically. And it's also with touchscreen, which I did not know. Well, I know now. The display was literally more expensive than the phone, but well, not so much. And they gave me an old one as well. Of course I'm going to mount the new one. Now, repairing phones is not my profession. I do this for passion. Yeah, you get the idea. I did not watch any tutorials. I literally don't know how to tear this phone down, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So let's begin. As I see no screws, I'm more than certain that this piece is glued here. And if I take it apart, it may show some screws. So here goes nothing. It is like a pressable button. Yeah, that's not it. You know what? I'm going to test my luck. Maybe. I hope nothing circuitry it's glued to it. It's only... yeah, I knew it. Look at this. Oops. And there you have it. It was glued. And now it's broke. Oh my god. Why? Whatever. Wait, what was this again? Oh my god, this was something like an antenna? Or no? What is this thing? Well, it's... I don't know what this is. It didn't snap when I pulled it off, but when I gently pressed it, it snapped. How am I supposed to not get angry? How? How? What kind of screws are this? Normal screws. I'll be honest with you, it scares me. But whatever. If it breaks, it breaks. I don't care anymore. Oof. One tiny screw. And the other tiny screw. And thinking this is a cable. Is it, or am I just destroying things? Yes! Whew. Lucky me. This is the camera module. OMG, this doesn't look easy at all. Well, I just found something else. I think this is glued as well, eh? Oh, not glued. This is... huh? What is it? Yep, it has some glue on it. I think this will be a teardown video rather than a fixing video. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is happening? This thing is just glued here. It should come off actually. Is it? attached to something? I don't think so. Oh, it's a xenon LED. That's the flash. Yeah. Oh, it just comes off. It's only glued. Oh, thank God. Oh. This should slide off, actually, right? Yeah, something like that. Okay, it's off. Oh, here are two screws. So much rust. Oh my God, it's rusted in place. There you have it. Well, something like that, yeah. Okay, if this comes off, then that is good. I don't care much for the body shell. I'm not gonna change it anyway because I don't have any parts for it. But man, how is this? Finally, it's off. Well, isn't this much better now? So much room. Now, will this come off? Well, what do you know? How easy was this to come off? Woof. And this? Oh ho 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 ho! Now that's that's a flash. Oh, all right. One and two. This is the antenna. Oh, this part is coming off. Good. Is it good? I don't know. I think I have to take the circuit off of this first. Yeah, oh, it comes off. Now that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Okay. OMG. Oh no. I don't like this feeling. Oh no. Oh no. No. Nope. Yeah, there are the other screws. Again, I have to change the head. My God. So many screw type. It's annoying. Oh, and this whole thing is the speaker. I just noticed that. This should come off as well. There it is. Oh, there's the rust. There's where water's set in. Where's the internal battery? Oh, now it comes off easily, eh? Good. That's how you should be. Yes, easy now. Easy, yes. There's the speaker. Wow. And this is the camera, which I should be taking off right now. This should be its connecting. This is one pretty bulky camera. Nice. What else do we have here? So now I have to be extra careful with this. Great. Yeah, now I see. Double clamps, eh? Yeah, double clamps. Come on. One. Two. And a lot more. Three. Let's see it now. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I'm so satisfied right now. Yes, it is. Oh, what's on the... Yeah, apparently this poor phone was rotting in the inside. I don't like this. But I think I can just glue this back together and that would be it. Or not. Yeah, or not, it's also something. Boy. Poor phone. Oh, and all this is together? Dude. No way I'm believing this. So many one-use parts. If I remember correctly, Sony Ericsson has those things detachable. Yeah. I disassembled when I was a kid my Sony Ericsson V630i, and it wasn't this complicated. Oh, there are. Yeah. Thank God it's detachable and not part of the whole thing. Now that's a bullet dodged, oh my god. I have to clean a lot of parts here. I wonder how much this phone costed as new.